Hello students, in our previous video we seen how to create a HTML form using the Notepad, and for that we have to write a coding. Using a HTML tag is a very tedious process for creating HTML form. A similar method is to use an IDE. An IDE is a software application that provides a complete facility to programmer to develop a software. It provides a graphical user interface, text or code editor, compiler, interpreter and debugger. Here, so many examples of the open source are given. As for the example, Composer, Eclipse, JBuilder and NetBeans are all examples of some open source IDE. Let us discuss how to use Composer for electronic form. First of all, go to the Start menu and write here Composer. Yes, this is the interface of the Composer. Composer is a free open source web development IDE. It can be downloaded from the http://www.composer.net. It provides a web page editor which has a simple graphical interface known as WYSIWYG. Means what you see is what you get. It is a complete web authoring system which integrates a web page development and web file management. Creating a new web page using the Composer is a very quick and easy method. The user can also edit a web page by using the source code and making changes very easily. Before we learn how to create a form using a Composer, let us first learn the Composer interface. Start from here. This is called as a menu bar, on which File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Table, Tools and the Help. Total 8 menus are available on the menu bar. Below the menu bar, there are 3 toolbars are available. First is the Composition toolbar, then Formatting toolbar number 1, it is Formatting toolbar number 1, and then Formatting toolbar number 2 are used to format the text, add the bullet, numbering and performing similar formatting options. The center window divided into the two panes. First is a Site Manager and second one is a Page pane. Site Manager is a powerful tool used to navigate within the site or between the sites. You can also close the Site Manager using a shortcut key F9 or close button given it here. The Page pane shows a blank page with the untitled. The button right side of the window shown a Edit Mode toolbar. On Edit Mode toolbar we can see a different 3 options with the name of Normal, Preview and HTML tag. All the 3 view modes provide a editing facility. Let us discuss about each and every one. First of all, a preview mode. The preview mode offers a page view as seen in a browser. The preview mode does not operate script and the link. Second one is a normal view. Normal view is very similar to the preview mode. In this mode, the table outline are the visible, and the final one is a HTML tag view. HTML tag view helps those who are familiar with the HTML language. Okay, a yellow mark is used to indicate the start tag of the all element. You can see here with the body tag. Clicking on the marker, select the highlight, hold the element. You can see hold the element. The left side of the page shown a 3 tab with the name of design, split and the source. Design tab is used to design the web page. The split tab display the HTML source of the current element. Source tab shows all the detail of the HTML code. It helps in editing the source code. And the final on the bottom, it is known as a status bar. When we click any item in the page, its structure appear in a status bar. Now, before we are starting to create a HTML form, in the previous video, this type of registration form. Now, we are creating some different kind of form which are available on vnsgu.net website. Okay, Veer Narwat South Gujarat University's admission form. Look at here, quick registration are available. Faculty for the admission. We are creating similar, not exact form, but similar form. So first of all, we are creating, all these are pull down menu. You can see here a pull down menu. Faculty for the admission, commerce, arts, science, computer science and education, and there are so many options in a pull down menu are available. In an admission form, you can see here admission from the PhD. Let's ignore it. University exam for the month. Here 12 months are available, and here also 2020 to 1980. All these are available. Don't worry about, you don't have to write a code for the pull down menu. It is a very easy way to create the form using the composer. So we are starting from the here, surname, name, father's name, okay, birth date, email, mobile number or alternate mobile number, category. In category you can see here 4 to 5 options are available. We are create a pull down menu for that. For gender, male or female, here pull down menu are available. Instead of using a pull down menu, you can made a radio button. Physical disability, physically handicapped, non or visually handicapped or anything. Okay, reason of the last school college, we are ignore it, okay, or omit it. Then password and then submit button. So this kind of form we are generate using the composer. So let's start. We are using the heading quick registration form. So for that, first of all, we have to select here a normal mode, here a design. Then now first of all you have to select from the formatting toolbar number 1, heading number 1, and then use the registration, quick registration, QICK, quick registration. Make a center alignment from the formatting toolbar number 2, then come down. Now first step, to create a form, go to the insert menu, form and define form. This is the first step. Here you can see on the screen form properties menu appear on the screen. Then form name, write here a form name, registration form. In the action URL we use a data.html method get or post. You can write anything, get method, and press the OK button. Here on screen a blue dotted border line appear. Then press the enter key and increase a form area for that. Now use the surname field for the text box. Sorry, we are use a table. You can also select from the insert menu table, and this option is also available on the composition toolbar table menu. Then you can see here insert table, select 2 row or 3 row according to your form size here. And after inserting a table, you can insert or delete rows and column as per your requirement. So first of all, surname on the second cell, next cell, and then insert form and then form field, right? You can see a form field property dialog box appear in a form appear. Then write a field name, surname. Initial value is not required, so don't write it, and then press the OK button. Then use the name. It is very easy and quick way to create the form. Then go to the form field, use the text option, field name, we use name, then press the OK. Father's name, so all the options are available on a composition toolbar also available. So form field, here all the options are available: text, password, checkbox, radio button, submit button. So you can create input field element from that. So in the case of father's name, you can increase a size of the table or width of the table by drag and drop operation. We are clearing about the surname, first name, father's name. Now turn about the birth date. In birth date, instead of using text field, we have create a pull down menu. It is very interesting point how to create a birth date pull down menu. Use the DD for date. For create a pull down menu, we have to select here a selection list. Then from the selection list property dialog box, write here a date, list name date, and then use the add option. Here texts are available, then use the all the date. How many dates are available in month? 31. Then add number 1, add option 2, add option 3, 3, add option 4, 5, 6, 7, and 31. Then press OK. So you can see here DD for 1 to 31 number are available. Then for the month, here we have to create a 12-month pull down menu or selection list. So once again go to the selection list property and then month, then write here a 12-month name. In short, we are using a short form. then press OK. Press, then for the 5y selection list, we are using 1990 to 2000 10-year. For year 1990, add option. Okay, this is the enough thing for the year. So it is a very quick and easy method to create a pull down menu. Then after, we use a text field for the email address, email ID, text box. So you can now understand it is a very easy way. Email, and then press OK. Now for the mobile number, same. Okay, sorry, just a minute. You can type here a maximum length, because you know, all of you know about the mobile number is only for the 10 digit. Then write here a maximum length 10, then user can enter only a 10 digit. Then after, suppose now we want a more row, so for that go to the table, insert, and then row below. Once again, table, insert, and then row below. So you can add a row as per your requirement. Email number, email, mobile number. Okay, category, pull down menu are available. So here we have create pull down menu or radio button also. So let's create for the category and gender, we have create here radio button instead of pull down menu. So for that, category, so for the category, use a form field, then select from the form field radio button, then use the group name. Here group name is CATEGORY. Mind well, group name must be common for the all the radio field. Then now a field value, first category, general category, then press OK, and then write here GE general category. Then insert form and form field, both the options are same. Radio button, general, SC category, sorry, category group name is a category, field value SC, press the OK. Second radio button is ready. Then now use the label SC. Once again, insert form, form field, radio button, category, field value ST, press OK. This radio button is ready for the ST, form field, radio button, group name category, field value OBC, then press. This radio button is ready for the OBC category, right? You can select anyone from this category. Then use a gender field. Same way you can create a radio button or pull down menu as per your liking and disliking. I want to create radio button, so group name must be same, male. Here you can see initially selected for the by defaulted selected radio button. So click here initially selected. So what will be the result? Here you can see a radio button is selected by defaulted. Second radio button for the female, gender female, press OK, female. Then now all the things will be clear. Final steps for the password field and then submit button. So for the password, it is very easy way. For the password field, insert form and then form field. Here password field also available, so use password and then press the OK. Okay, now suppose here below the birth date I want to add a one more line or row. Here I want to add address, and for address text area. So for the text area, go to the form and then text area available here, so use the text area. Right here a field name, address, right here raw value, and then use the column value according to the size. Okay, you can see it is too much large, so decrease a column size somewhat more, decrease a column size. Okay, enough, it is enough thing. Increase the size of the table width. Okay, almost our form is ready. Finally for insert, finally to insert submit button, insert menu, form field, and then select submit button, write a field name submit, and then submit SUBMIT, submit value, and then press OK. So here form ready. Then final and last step, go to the file menu and save your file. First step is a page title. This is about the page title, so write here quick registration form, then press OK. Now this is your file name, so write here your file name. Use a same file name on the desktop. Our file is ready. Now to view a result, you can use a browse button from the composition toolbar or use the shortcut key F5, and you can see your final output. This is output, but I am not happy with this output, so want to decorate that is time to decorate the table. Select the table and remove all the borders from the table. So go to the table menu, table properties, and here table value, border value 0. Take the border value 0 and then press apply. OK. So save your file and then refresh. Now it is quite good. Somewhat more decoration, so go to the format menu, page color and border background are available. From the page color and background menu, use the custom color. Select the background color from anyone. Save your file, go to the web page and then use the refresh. Now yes, it's a good example of the registration form. So now it is your turn to practice various type of form